Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that has increased in valuation due to the demand of real estate in the area, located on Aris Avenue in Red Hills, just 7 to 8 minutes up the hill, into the heart of beauty and perpetual coolness, where the heat of the summer doesn't penetrate these walls. The flow of the house is simply flawless. The design of the staircase timeless, and the generous sizes of the bedrooms tells that the house was built for a family with 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 3 of which is ensuite plus a self-contained helper's quarters, balconies on both levels, a formal dining room in addition to a breakfast room with a sizable pantry, a well laid out kitchen overlooking the front lawn. There is also a family room, a den, and a living room. This house sits on 0.35 acres and no details were overlooked. The time has come for the baton to pass to the next family, for the children to grow, play, and love here. Viewing appointments can be made for pre-qualified clients. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 70 million or US $454.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.